So, my RC plane caught on fire yesterday. That was not fun. So to make up for it, I went to the bunkhouse to hang out with Kelly. If you guys are ever in Jensen Beach, you need to come here. She's got the best freaking stuff. I don't care what you say. If you think there's someplace better, you're lying. And you're lying to yourself too. Look at her, she's making it right now. What are you making me?
I'm making acai bowls with fresh fruit, organic mangoes, pineapple, banana, strawberries, blueberries.
I'm ready. That's what I want. And this is also Lil's house. Beans, come here. This is, you guys have seen her before. She was on my channel once. She's a person. What are we doing today besides this?
Snorkeling.
We're gonna go snorkeling. This is gonna be fun. I'm ready, I'm pumped. I just ate this nut butter. I don't even know what it's called.
Nutso.
It's really healthy, I guess. So I'm just gonna keep eating it. It's kind of making me, it says power fuel, so I feel powerful now. But yeah, if you're ever in Jensen Beach,
check out these bowls.
Can I?
Yeah. Do you guys like chia seeds?
Didn't you like get these from Fiji or something?
These bowls are from Bali, Indonesia.
Bali, that's what it was. Look at that, she's adding drugs. There's a whole jar of drugs. I don't know.
More drugs here.
Look, more drugs, there's drugs. So yeah, this is gonna be great. This is also a special menu item. So, you know, I'm not sure what it is. I don't think anyone still knows, but they have it. How much is it? Just give me a number. 1 to 10.
78 cents.
1 million.
That's cheap. Cheap cafefe, guys. Come and get it. So, I got a coffee. Courtney gets a cool big cup of coffee. She's like getting jacked on caffeine. And then I ordered a coffee and I want a chocolate, and this is what they give me. Look, just for size reference.
And look at Ryan. And why? And why?
You too.
Look at a smaller
what
one.
you got. No, you just have really big hands.
Why did we get
This is a giant dude. Huh?
Because you're allergic to chocolate.
Yeah, but nobody needs to know that. I mean, you don't need to make fun of me for it. I'm an adult. I should get an adult-sized coffee. We are on the water. Nice. They're out there snorkeling. I just got done snorkeling. Kind of murky, so not much to see. A bunch of jellyfish, but nice weather at least. So I think I'm gonna take the drone up, see if we can lose it. That'll be fun. I lost my RC plane yesterday in a fire. Let's see what happens with the drone today. So, no drone. It needed an update, of course. So, I'm not doing it here. That sucks. I wanted to lose it.
dorkfish.
A dorkfish.
I did it twice.
What? How do you breach like a dorkfish?
You just
I'm watching.
Just wait. You gotta go under once you come back up and flop. Go back down. Okay.
This better be good.
Wait for it.
She came out further the first time.
Jesus.
You did it better the first time.
You gotta go straight up.
You gotta go. I've done it too many times. She's tired.
Good job, Courtney.
10, 15 minutes.
Courtney's a weather person. What do you think?
There's a slight chance of rain. The wind is picking up.
That's a nice looking storm. Yes, me. That there is a storm.
That there is a storm.
That's how we say it down here. Nice looking storm.
She's a looker.
She's a soaker. She's a southern soaker.
Take
the dog.
Take the thing off, the snorkel off.
Lil is gonna go swimming, diving. She's putting her gear on.
Put her here. Sit up.
You gotta put your gear on.
Lil, up. Up. Girl. Stay. Stay. Oh my gosh, Toby, get this. Oh, her eye.
Sweet. She's ready to go. You ready? Are you ready, Lil?
Oh my god, Jakku. Bitter about not having the right people.
Food.
You gotta take the rice out of the cup.
Don't tell me how to run my life.
Do it.
No.
You have a nice day.
We're gonna eat
Tell
some
me what to do.
Indian food. We were told this is a good place by somebody.
I'm not gonna eat it.
What?
It has meat in it.
We'll eat. Okay. Well, I'm gonna eat it. They're gonna eat it. And it already smells great. So all my Indian and brown friends, get jealous right now. We are coming up to a road. It's my favorite road in this damn place. Only for one stupid reason. I'm gonna show you why. Here it is. Skyline Road. Look at that. So, Mr. Shaw, how are you?
I'm doing fantastic.
How's your taquito?
I don't know what it is, but it's great.
It's good.
All I know is that today's Monday. It's the beginning of new work week. Second week of July.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling great, but how are you feeling?
I am ridiculously tired because I got lost in a park.
Listen, this is an important meeting. You can't be getting lost at the park.
No, I got lost. I went walking around in Okehili, which is a park that's near here, and it's like 7 miles of whatever. And I went somewhere I'd never gone, and I couldn't find my way back. It was great.
Good thing we have technology.
I had to use my map to realize that I walked around the park twice. So I feel stupid, tired, hot, all of the above. But I survived, and I'm at T-Flats now, so all is well.
All is well.
We're done.
We're done.
That was horrific.
Hit the like button.
That's excitement.
One of these. Front finger. That's it.